Let me show you how to make smash burgers in under 30 minutes and even better than takeout. We start with the dressing. Here I have 1/3 cup of mayonnaise and we add 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2.5 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of sweet relish. Just make sure to drain it first so the dressing stays nice and thick. 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper. Mix until well combined and it should look like this. Next, I've got my cast iron skillet on high heat. We add some butter, and once it's melted, we grill 1 white onion and 1 jalapeño. Let the onion get a nice char, then lower the heat so everything cooks through without burning. After 5 minutes, it's ready and we set aside. For the meat, I like using a scale so the patties come out about the same size. Mine are about 2.5 ounces each. I like to press them with my tortilla press, but you can use a burger press or any flat object. You want the patties on the thinner side since smash burgers aren't too thick. And this is how I like them. We start cooking. I'm using 80-20 ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat, which gives you a really juicy burger. Season with salt, pepper. Let them cook for about a minute to a minute and a half on the first side because we want that nice crust. Then we flip and cook for another 30 seconds to a minute. Meanwhile, we toast our bread. I like using mayo to toast, or you can use butter. Buns are ready and we add the cheese. I'm using American cheese. Now we can assemble our burger. We add the patties, our grilled onions, pickles. To our top bun, add some of the dressing we made, and our juicy smash burger is ready to enjoy. All done in under 30 minutes. All right guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. It's a little messy. It's so delicious. This is dangerous. I can have like 3 of them. The meat is crispy. It's perfect, and the jalapeños give it that spice. Also, you guys have been asking me for the In-N-Out recipes, so hopefully that's coming soon. Stay tuned. So good. And there you have it, delicious smash burger.